In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy materials from one course to another. So you have to have access to both courses as a teacher. So go to Course Admin, Import, Export, Copy Components. So you need to be in the course that you want to copy the materials to. So then you can search for offering and just put a little bit of the course name in the search box. So I'm going to use another demo course that I have. Select the course and add selected. So right now I'm positioned to copy the entire course, and if that's what you want to do, you want to copy every assignment, every content piece, everything in the manage files, as well as checklists, etc. It'll basically copy everything but the work of the previous students. So then you would just walk through the process of saying copy all components, and it will start copying. And you just have to wait about 5 minutes and the whole thing should be copied. Now, what if I just want to copy something from another course? So just one item or a number of items, and I want to be able to select those items. So I go to the same place, Import, Export, Copy Components, select Search for Offering, search for the course, select the course, and say Add Selected. Now at this point, you choose Select Components instead of Copy All Components. So on the next screen, you will be asked to choose the components you wish to copy. And so go through the list and decide what you want to choose. You might say, you know what, I want my checklists, and I know there's something from content I want. Now notice that you could also check off course files, but there's usually a very large number of course files. I would suggest saying I want the content and I want to include the associated files. So that will bring over any files that are in the course files. Here I'm going to say I want to select individual items to copy as opposed to copying all of them. Then continue. And you can see I'm on Select Checklist to Copy. So now I'm on Select Checklist to Copy. So I'm going to choose the checklist I want, continue, and then I'm going to choose the folder of materials that I'm looking for. So this would represent a folder, a unit folder in the content area, and then the items that are inside. Now I could also say, you know what, I don't actually want these items, and I can uncheck them. So you can go right down to saying exactly which files you would like, and it will bring in the folder, but will leave out some of the components. Say continue, and then finish. And now it's set for copying. Going back to Import, Export, Copy Components for a moment, I also want to show you that you could export your course, and basically you would be creating a zip file that you download. And if you say start, it's going to start the process of exporting to a zip file. It takes about 15 minutes. If you put import, you can actually upload a zip file of materials, but it does have to be a D2L set of files. So if I select start on export components, it will ask me what do I want to export. So let's just say all, so I can show you what happens next. Continue, and it's showing that it's starting to do an export, preparing an export. So this covers what to do to copy courses from another course, how to export materials, download them to your computer and extract them, or to upload a file that you receive from someone else of their course materials.